In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DNS propagation issues in Hostinger. DNS propagation can be a frustrating challenge, often leading to website accessibility problems if not properly addressed. Today, we'll go through some simple but essential steps to ensure your DNS settings are correctly configured and propagated. So let's dive right in and get your site up and running smoothly. First, patience is crucial. When you update DNS settings, such as changing name servers or A records on Hostinger, these changes often take time to be distributed across the internet. Typically, this process can take up to 24 hours, though it might extend to 72 hours depending on the circumstances. So, if you've recently made changes, give it some time before digging into deeper troubleshooting. Once you've allowed some time, the next step is to verify if the DNS propagation has begun. For this, open an external DNS checker tool, such as DNS Checker. This tool will show you if your DNS changes are reflected globally. If you see mostly red X marks, it means the changes haven't started propagating. A mix of X's and check marks indicates the propagation is in progress. Once all you see are green check marks, your DNS has fully propagated. Even if the DNS propagation seems complete globally, your local device might still cache old DNS data. This is where flushing your local DNS cache comes in handy. By clearing these outdated or cached records from your system, your device can retrieve the most current DNS entries, potentially resolving any accessibility issues you might be experiencing. Now, let's ensure that your DNS records are accurately set in Hostinger's hPanel. Head over to the Domains tab, use the Manage option, and then navigate to DNS/name servers. Here, you'll want to meticulously verify that all your DNS entries, such as A records and C name records for www, are pointing correctly. If discrepancies or missing records are found, edit them as needed. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be useful to look at your DNS history. Hostinger allows you to restore previous configurations if recent changes caused problems. After restoring, remember to allow time for the changes to propagate again. Finally, verify your name server settings. In your hPanel, go to Domains, select Manage, then DNS Name Servers, and choose Change Name Servers. Ensure you're using the correct name servers, whether sticking with Hostinger's defaults or specifying new ones if you've switched providers. Save your settings and give it up to 24 hours for these changes to take effect. And there we have it. By following these steps, you should be able to address any DNS propagation issues while using Hostinger. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.